Welcome to the channel. This is Sightless Living. If you are new around here, my name is Anita. Today I want to show you how I use crutches using a mobility cane.
Please like, subscribe, comment, and share.
I'm standing here with my mobility cane. It's 60 inches, maybe 62 including the tip. I'll try to talk in between the wind. I'm standing here with two crutches. They are made of aluminum. If you have never seen a crutch, let me try to explain. The top has a rubber piece that comes off for cleaning, etc., etc. And on the underside, you'll see cross sections that go from left to right, and it gives you like a cushiony feel. It's very flexible. It's made of rubber, and you can twist it like I'm doing. I could even ball it up. It snaps back into its form. From the crutch, the top, which is concave, is plastic. There are two bars that come down and they curve inward to meet a single bar that goes straight down to the ground where you'll see a rubber foot. There is also a handle that is wrapped with rubber midway down. That's for you to grab onto. Let me put this rubber piece back on top. There. There's no right or left, so you can put them on either side. And I put it under my armpit. They are about 5 inches shy of the actual armpit. And I rest them to the side of me against the body. Now let me turn so I can walk. How I walk with them is I take my mobility cane. I put it down in front of me and I roll it on the ground. Make sure there are no obstacles, no bunny rabbits, no mountain lions, no rocks, sticks, stones to make me trip or fall. So I'm all clear there. Then I bring it back to me. I take my cane. I have my index finger, which is my pointing finger, wrapped around the shaft of the cane. And then I put my hand back on my handle of the crutch and get in position to walk. Now my left leg is the one that was injured, so I'm going to call that the soft ankle because that's the ankle that's healing. My good leg is the right leg, so I'll say good leg, strong leg, whatever. Trying to explain it, so I'll just give you that heads up. When using the crutches, you should never put them like as far as you can go. Some people do that because they want to get where they're going quickly, especially in the rain. You shouldn't do that because you can fall. So I have them like maybe 3 feet in front of me, 2.5 feet. That's ridiculous. 2 feet is like maybe the furthest I will go. 18 inches to 2 feet. So I just put them out there and bring my good leg to the crutches. I leave a space in the middle so my body can fit. Some people put them close together and then you can't really bring your leg up to the crutch because there's not enough room for you to fit. I am going to take my crutches and extend them forward perhaps 18 inches in front of me, and I'm going to bring my good leg to them with my soft ankle in the air. So I have my soft ankle in the air, my crutches are in front of me about 18 inches. I'm leaning forward and I'm going to bring my good foot to the crutches. Here we go. So I just did that. I'm going to do it one more time because I have 60 inches before I have to clear the ground again. So I bring my crutches forward. I'm leaning on them, putting the weight on it. My soft ankle's in the air. I'm going to bring my good foot to the crutches. There we go. And then I'll do that all the way to my destination. Now, as you can see, those of you who can see, my cane's flopping around, the wind's blowing it, and things like that. But this is a cane that I took to emergency, so I wanted to use it. If you do have the choice or option of using a shorter cane, I would highly recommend. Now I'll show you how to walk a different way with your crutches when your leg is feeling better. Mine is feeling much better than what it was. The swelling has gone down some. I can now put pressure on it. I'm lifting my crutches in the air and I'm lifting up my good leg and I'm standing on my soft ankle. And there we go. I put my leg back down. It's very windy today, so I'm trying to speak in between the wind. I have my soft ankle back on the ground and now I'm going to take a walk. I take my good ankle, the crutch on my right side, stick it forward, and while I'm leaning on both crutches, I step forward with the right leg. Then I bring the crutch for the soft ankle and bring that forward. So now we all have met up together, both legs, both crutches. I'm going to do it again. Extend my right crutch with the good leg as I put my weight on it and put my leg forward. Then I'm going to bring the left crutch forward with the soft ankle and bring that up. So now I've met up with both feet and both crutches again. So you can walk like that as well. If you're brave, you can just throw away one crutch, which I've done there. I take my cane, clear the ground, nothing's in my path, and then I walk with just my crutch on the left side supporting the soft ankle. I take my mobility cane and check my walking path. It's clear. As I put my good foot forward, I'm going to lean on my crutch on the left side as I put it forward. Not leaning on my mobility cane, I'm leaning on the crutch. Then I could either bring the crutch forward and then the soft ankle up to meet it, or I can extend my good leg while I'm leaning on the crutch and then bring the crutch and my soft ankle to meet it. So you can walk either way. I'm going to do it again. Check my path. There's some stone or something there. So I'm going to turn this way. So I'm going to put my good leg forward and then bring the crutch and the soft ankle to meet it. And that's how you walk around. When using a mobility device, it is best to follow the instructions from the doctor or physical therapist. Some suggest when you have an injury on the left, you should put your support on the right. If I stepped on a rock, it was uncomfortable. I felt more secure by having the support on the left. I also had support on the right because I had two crutches. This video is to show you how I worked my crutches. Now I will take you over to some steps and show you how I navigate those. Here I am at the cement steps. I have my cane and my two crutches on my side. I'm feeling the step. Oh, I'm close to something on the right. I'm going to shimmy over to the left. There. So before I walk up a step, I check the landing of the step to make sure nothing's on it. Another thing is when I go to lift my crutches up for the step, now they're too high. I could stick them in front of me, which is what I'm going to do to step up. If I left them under my arm, I could step up like that, but I could also fall backwards, and that's not safe. So I'm going to just stick them on the stair in front of me, or step, and then I'm going to step up. Now I can step up with my soft ankle or my good ankle. I'm going to try the soft ankle. So I put that up. I got my cast-in boot on, and then I put my weight on the crutch and come up with my good ankle. I'm going to do it again. Check the next step. It's a little ways away, so I'm going to shimmy up to the riser of the step. Put my crutches back under my arm, and then I'm going to check this level, this landing. There's nothing there. These steps are 3 feet by 12. So there's nothing there to make me fall. Again, it's going to be too tall under my armpit, so I take them from under my arm. I put them in front of me. I'm holding on to the handles. I have my index finger wrapped around my cane. And then I am going to step up with my good leg. So I'm going to inch up some more to the rise of the step. And then I'm going to step up with my good ankle. And I'm going to bring up the soft ankle. And there you go. That's how I climb the steps using crutches. Now I will explain my little contraption I'm wearing. I put on some capri pants so you could see them. It's a boot. I guess they call it surgical boot. It's blue, and then the soft cast, I think it's white. I'm not really sure. I didn't ask. But I think someone mentioned it was white. And then it has like plastic stabilizers in there. It has cups on both sides to protect the ankle. I'm turning it from left to right. Those who can see it. And it attaches with Velcro. There's no heel on it. It's flat. It's very hard. It kind of makes you more tired when you have an arch. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this presentation of how I use crutches. If you're new to blindness, new to injuries, new to sight loss, and you like this video, or even if you're an old veteran, or you have a family member that may be experiencing sight loss. Whatever the case may be, please take a look around on the channel. If you like the videos, why not subscribe to Sightless Living? Turn on your notifications. This way you will be notified each time a video becomes available. Feel free to share with friends, family, and your social media, or share with whomever else you may feel would benefit from the videos. And I'll see you next time.
Scene changes to a mountain scene backdrop. Rolling credits appear in big bold text scrolling upward from the bottom of the screen. Text reads, Anita, hostess/visionary. Mountain videography. TM symbol, videographer/editor. The rest of the text may be read in the description box below. Thanks for watching.